Hey fans, welcome back. Today, we're diving into some juicy news and leaks about the Samsung Galaxy S24 Unpacked event. Leakers have been busy, and while Samsung might not be thrilled, their insights only add to our excitement. Tasty Orange and Zusser recently dropped quick unboxing videos of the Galaxy S24 Ultra in three eye-catching colors: titanium yellow, titanium violet, and titanium gray. The packaging is in line with the Galaxy S23 Ultra's style, and while these videos mainly showcase the startup screen, they still offer a tantalizing glimpse into what's to come. These sneak peeks confirm Samsung's move to a flat display for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, moving away from the curved screens of previous models. There's also buzz about a redesign in the phone's speaker grille, breaking from the 6-hole setup of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Another exciting revelation is a design tweak in the S Pen. The bottom is now flat, deviating from its traditionally round shape. Under the hood, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, promising exceptional performance worldwide. Camera-wise, we might see a new 50-megapixels telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom, setting a new standard for current top-tier camera phones. AI integration is also a big focus, enhancing everything from the keyboard to the camera. However, be aware that Samsung might charge for some of these advanced features in the future. On a brighter note, the Galaxy S24 Ultra could be blessed with an impressive 7 years of software updates. Stay tuned for more updates on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. Hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for all the latest tech news. Until next time.